This 5,646 square foot, 5-bed, 4.5-bath home features a stunning combination of brick and stone masonry, wood beams, and a front-covered porch with stunning curb appeal. As you make your way through the gorgeous custom doors, you'll be greeted with a stunning curved staircase. The foyer flows into the private study. To your right, you'll find the formal living and dining room. This amazing home is well suited for entertaining, and you won't believe this jaw-dropping designer kitchen that features wood shaker-style cabinets, built-in stainless steel double ovens and microwave, a gas range cooktop, and a massive center island with an eat-in nook. Make your way to the open-concept family room with soaring ceilings, a stone fireplace, and custom built-ins. Escape to the private master bedroom and relax in the serene master suite in the deep relaxing tub or the massive oversized walk-in shower with custom tile and dual shower heads. This luxurious master bath also includes custom cabinets and dual vanities and a spacious walk-in master closet. Make your way upstairs and check out this spacious game room, a walkout upstairs covered patio and balcony, and a luxurious media room. Pre-wired for surround sound that can be customized with custom molding and a wet bar perfect for the big game or your favorite scary movie. This home comes with 4 additional secondary bedrooms upstairs and a private loft area. The Bridgewater floor plan also includes a huge covered patio, perfect for relaxing outdoors. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Bridgewater plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.